All right, guys, I'm back over here in city of Henderson, just right across the lake, Las Vegas. So we're gonna take a look at the Aries by Pulte. This is the Oasis Canyon. As you can see, we have three different floor plans. Now, we toured the Stella, the Garden Gate, but have not toured the Parklane. Today's a little bit windy today. You have home square footage starting off at about 2,200 square feet to 2,500 square feet. And it is very windy today here in Las Vegas. Let me flip this thing over. So when you guys come up here, this right here, you're gonna have to enter into the side. This is actually the sales office, but in the front, it's actually the two-car garage. But let me get inside because, man, it is a little bit windy today. I know you're on the phone. I'll talk to you after. So let me just kind of show you guys what's going on real quick. So the Parklane starts off at $534,000. You have an option, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 3.5 bath, 2 to 3 car garage, 2,519 square feet. So this is actually the 2-car garage here. Then we have the tandem, so that makes it the 3rd car garage. Let's take a look here. We've got bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. Take a look at this laundry room. Ooh, you can put a refrigerator here too as well. Then we have the flex space, guest bath, but then take a look how gorgeous this is. But let me do this. We're gonna start back off in the front here. Okay, we got 9-foot ceilings. There's a lot of options and upgrades that you guys can do here. All right, let's just start off here in the bathroom here. Definitely really nice. Oh, look at that. I think out of all the models, I think they put a lot of money in the Parklane because I think the Parklane is one of their top selling floor plans. And by far, this is actually my favorite floor plans for their single story homes. You have the option for the 8-foot door. Additional storage space. Decent sized rooms. The only thing is you have the 1-in-1, which is your Cat 6, and then your coax cable. You would probably want to put it right here and have it at 62 inches. So that way you can actually do a wall mount for your TV. And you got a decent sized walk-in closet. So I feel like this bedroom right here is a little bit smaller. Now, if you guys want the dimensions for the floor plan, just reach on out to me. I'll get you all the dimensions. Not bad. How's everything going today?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Was it Johnny that works here or Jonathan?
John and
Yeah.
then Sasha too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not working today?
No, they're
Okay.
overseas. Yeah.
I appreciate you. I'll talk to you in just a second, okay? I'm just going to just finish up this video home tour. No, you're fine. Oh, that's kind of creative right there. Anyway, so we have the den. Now you have the option here to do this full built out and also add the French doors. Now I noticed that they are doing a lot of vinyl now with the flooring, which looks really nice. But I think this is my favorite part of the house. I mean, look at this furniture. Wow, there's tons of upgrades here. From the floorings, the baseboards. You have the fireplace here as well. But then this kitchen, they did a lot of upgrades here. 36 on the cabinets. They finish off with the 18 on the top. And then the crown. And then we have the light rail. Then we got the reverse tray ceiling here. Definitely love this countertop. Outlet. This is actually interesting. They definitely designed it very well. You also have the distribute sounds. You got the built-in refrigerator, but unfortunately this is not a counter depth KitchenAid. White shaker cabinets. Obviously these are going to be soft closing cabinets. Now if you guys go down to the design studio will be located right off the 215 and Rainbow. You have the additional upgrade on the slide here. This is a 9x8 stackable slide. What do we have here? These are all vinyl. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to go outside today. It's a little bit too windy. Look at that. Now, typically on job sites, they do have dust control as well, but unfortunately, there's nothing you can do when it just blows like this. Let's take a look at the primary. Now, I've seen these floor plans so many times, but by far, this is actually one of the nicer designs that I've seen for this floor plan. Today's just going to be a quick video. Got a lot to do today. I like how this just drops down 1 inch here. Like this color tile. The problem with this type of tile, if you break this tile, the die cast on here may not be the same. Also, there's one thing I do want to point out here on these tile for the flooring. Okay, on these, they're not bullnose. I would rather have a bullnose versus a straight edge. And here's why. When you're taking a shower, okay, you're going to be stepping on this. And these edges are very sharp. Unfortunately, they can't take the grout all the way up here to be flush. So you're always going to have this straight edge here. So I would not use this tile at all. Trust me, because when you're taking a shower, your feet is going to hurt because it feels like it's going to get cut. So I always make sure it's the bull nose. I mean, this is a pretty decent size closet. Love this countertop. HOAs are about $75 a month. Now I can hear the compressor running. So one of the things that you need to do, and when I'm talking about the compressor, I'm talking about the AC unit. So when you guys are doing your final walkthrough, you need to make sure that AC is running. And I can literally hear it. So that tells me that that blower motor or that fan could actually be off balance. I mean, it could be annoying. I don't know if you guys hear it or not. It's like literally humming. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed. Peace. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the power pack. What is the power pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.